of all, we are going to create one single cell in entire page. This is our first page, that it will become home page. Now from table, we are selecting only single cell. We are going to expand this. And later on also we can resize it according to our need. Then next is what? We are creating section for the heading, that is name of company and that logo. Here few options are there. You can see here. For example, when you right click here, go to table properties. Now here height and width can be defined by user, whatever height width you want. Then cell style is header style or normal style. Then background color, if you want in that header, then you can keep it. Then content alignment, whatever we write there, in vertical and horizontally, we want it in center, middle. So we are taking. Here table properties, we have two options, table and cells. Cell properties we here set, now table. So this is one row and one column table. Border, if you want to increase border in pixels, you can write here. Cell spacing, that is between two cells, how much distance you want to keep. Cell padding is what? Distance between the content inside that cell and cell border. So that you can set here. Then table alignment in our page, if you want to make it center, here it is center. Caption is heading. If you want to give heading to the table, then where we want to show, that is above table, below, left of table or right of table. So right now we are selecting none. Click on OK. Now same way, we are going to create for heading part. One row, two columns. So now this is table inside another table. So we have inserted a table inside another table. Now you can drag it. Then we should make sure that the width is not more than the actual table. So here we are going to type school plaza. One stop solution for school articles. Now here we can format it like to increase font size. Click here, make it center. The same way here, this is tagline. So tagline we are keeping smaller. That means is center. Now to give color, select it, font. Here font you can change. Text color, for example, we can brighter color. Here, again some other color, that is now here in this section we want to insert an image. So insert image, find the image that we want to insert. For example, I have taken this image. Now here, alternate text we are not keeping, because if we keep here, we have to write something for this image. One is alternate text. Now dimension, Actual size is 480 by 360 pixels. So it will be more larger than this area. So we are going to change that. Make sure this option is selected because it will keep this aspect ratio proper so that actual look of image is not changed. Now it is centered. Now in next line, leave one space. Now insert another table which one row and two columns. Make it same like this. The first one. Now here we are typing categories. And here new products. See this actual structure. Here it is like this. So we have created one row and two columns. Now here again we are going to use categories. So for categories, again insert one table. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 categories I want. And here in products, we are going to insert a table with 3 rows and 3 columns for different products. Here we are going to categories. Here the first one is school bag. Second one, water bottle. Third is lunch box and compass box. Since we are using here feeding category and here name of category, so we are making it smaller than feeding category. Now if we want to make any change, we are supposed to do it right now because we are going to create copies of this page for each and every category, so that we don't need to design the same page again in a page. Next color, for example, since this is website related to school and children are going to visit this, we are using more colors here. Now here we are going to insert form element, that is name will be submit button. The user is going to submit this data and name of the field is place order. Field value we are writing like this because whatever you write on field value, in field value, it will be visible on that button to the user, like this. Okay, so this is place order. Now, but two more enter I two times enter I have pressed to leave some space here. Now again I am going to insert a table with one or column. And here we are going to type links so that user can move back to a particular section when he wants to leave this page. Now these categories are, for example, feedback. In second it is, for example, contact us. Then site map. Now we are keeping here three only: feedback, contact us, and site map. Here also we are going to use links. So what we want to create, first of all, for example, feedback, select this, then insert link. From here, we are supposed to include an HTML file. For example, here feedback form I am going to include that we have created earlier. Please OK. Then in contact us, we are going to add some information. For example, I'm going to type here an HTML field, basic HTML. I'm giving some information so that user can click there. Now here body, BG color, is equal to, for example, I am typing name directly, save it, and I am saving this as contact.html desktop. And from desktop, I am going to add this file here. So contact us, select that, then insert link, select here from desktop, and the file is contact.html. Edit. Okay. Sitemap also we are supposed to create like a hierarchical structure wherein user can get which page lies under which link or which main page. So now we are supposed to give details, different details here according to page. So this is, now we are going to save it. So the first page, here we are going to give index, home page index. So that is a general practice that home page is named as index.html. We are also keeping it same, index.html. Now click on browse to see this. Now let's see whether the links are working or not. Feedback. Now this is feedback form. Contact us. User will get this information of to contact the website owner. Now here the next thing is 60 to 70% of this website is ready. Now we are supposed to change only this section. So first of all, we are going to create 4 copies of this page, that is full bag, water bottle, lunch box, and compass box. So first of all, we are creating water bottle. Because we are not creating school bag, because by default when someone opens index.html, school bag information will come automatically. So we are taking water bottle here. Select this. Sorry. First of all, save it. Save as water bottle .html. Same way lunchbox.html. Okay, so save as. Then compass box. Insert. Save as compass box.html. Now this is index file. You can see this title index. Now when I open a new file from desktop, for example, the second one is water bottle. There are two files with same heading, that is title. So actually this is index file and here it is box. So I have to make sure that title is also same as this HTML file. So go to tools, go to format, page title and properties. From here, take compass box. Now click OK. Now otherwise, if we don't change this title, then sometimes we will do something wrong in another page. So this is index and actual this file is water bottle, but title is index. So here also we are going to change it and make it water bottle. First box are ready. Lunch box we are supposed to open now. Here also we can see index. Again change this to lunch box. These three we have changed. School have index as title. Now we are supposed to use here images and its details.